A very big hello to all my little ones. Wishing you a lovely morning. I'm your Prerna ma'am. Children, you all are aware about after numbers and between numbers. Let's revise them once again. After number. After number is a number that comes after the given number. Between number. Between number is a number that comes in the middle of two numbers. Children, please open page number 57 of your maths classwork book. Let's write the date. Today's date is 11.3.21. In this page, we have to do after number 0 to 100. As you all know, after number is a number which comes after the given number. Here, the number is 54. What comes after 54? Yes, it's 55. Now, next number. Which number is this? It's 91. What comes after 91? Yes, it's 92. Now, next number. It is 95. So, what comes after 95? 96. So, 96 is after number. Now, which number is this? It's 67. What comes after 67? It's 68. So 68 is after number. Which number is this? It's 72. What comes after 72? It's 73. So 73 is after number. Which number is this? 53. What comes after 53? It's 54. So 54 is after number. Now this is 60. What comes after 60? It's 61. So 61 is after number. Then this is 86. What comes after 86? 87. So 87 is after number. Children, please open page number 60 of your maths classwork book. Let's write the date. Today's date is 11.3.21. In this page, we have to do after number 0 to 100. This page is same as previous page. So let's start the after numbers. This number is 83. Which number comes after 83? Yes, it's 84. 84 is after number because it comes after 83. Now next number is 62. Which number comes after 62? It's 63. Now next number. It's 15. Which number comes after 15? It's 16. Now next number. It is 85. Which number comes after 85? It's 86. Now next number is 58. Which number comes after 58? It's 59. Now next number is 28. What comes after 28? It's 29. Now This is number 6. What comes after 6? 7. This is 87. What comes after 87? 88. Children, please open page number 59 of your maths classwork book. Let's write today's date. It's 11.3.21. In this page, we have to do between number 0 to 100. As you all know, between number is a number that comes in the middle of two numbers. Here we have number 64 and here 66. Now tell me children, which number comes between 64 and 66? Yes, it's 65. 65 comes between 64 and 66. Now next one. Here we have 51 and here we have 53. Now which number comes between 51 and 53? It's 52. 52 comes between 51 and 53. Now next one. Here we have 75 and here we have 77. Now which number comes between 75 and 77? It's 76. Now next one. Here we have 82 and here we have 84. Now children, come on fast. Tell me the between number of 82 and 84. Yes, it's 83. Now next one. This is 59 and this is 61. Now tell me which number comes between 59 and 61. It's 60. Now next one. Here we have 98 and here we have 100. Now tell me which number comes between 98 and 100. Yes, it's 99. Here we have 55 and here we have 57. Now which number comes between 55 and 57? Yes, it's 56. Here we have 86 and here we have 88. Now which number comes between 86 and 88? It's 87. Hope you enjoyed today's session. See you soon. Bye-bye.